My name is Jeremiah Haydock. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma. What they call a combo guy. I do paint, body. I also run our recon department, and decided to take my career a little bit further by coming and learning PDR. PDR was kind of the last piece of the puzzle for me, and probably the most important piece of the puzzle. And it was the thing that required, good training. So we decided to come here and, learn that aspect. So this is my first week. I've got to the point where I can comfortably pull a hail dent. And actually it's a 4-day week because of a holiday. So we were able to cram that much information into 4 days, today being Friday, my last day this week. We actually, me and the company I work for, I believe the point of contact was a outside representative, somebody that kind of works as a consultant, that their job is to help dealerships kind of become more efficient. And Dean King came up in that conversation to my knowledge. Yeah, my future right now is with the dealership that I'm at. My goal is to always learn the next thing, take the next opportunity that I can, and this was a great opportunity to kind of further my career, regardless of what I do. Now I've got PDR in my pocket. For the time being, this is going to help my company save a lot of money. It's going to help me make more money, and it was an easy decision to make. Yeah, the training's been great. From the minute I walked in, I got to meet the owner. He had a great energy, had a big smile on his face. First thing out of his mouth was a compliment. Everybody here has been really nice, even down to people in the office, people that everybody top to bottom has had a really good energy around him, really kind and helpful. So yeah, it's been a really pleasant experience. Thank you, Dean King.